This is best with more weight because you go.
Maybe
We nearly tipped over.
Let Lee's legs go down and then
We nearly tipped
put our
over.
legs on top of him.
Feel like so, mate.
Put your legs on top of Doddy's.
Why? We nearly tipped
Spread them out. Lee can take all the weight.
Yeah, you have to wait.
This was my one, Mummy.
Have you got one?
Go backwards. We'll go backwards. Dang, you're hurting me. We'll go backwards. We'll go backwards.
Whoa!
Oh, wait.
Whoa!
That's more weight.
Rosie and Casey could have finished it.